Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the Linux Lubuntu. You can see here, you can see the Linux Lubuntu LXDE. So 23.10 I have downloaded this one, 23.10. so I want to share you the interface of this operating system. So a week ago I was used the FEDORA LXDE FEDORA. You can see that this is my channel. You can see here that how to upgrade via command line. I have already posted a video about how to upgrade the FEDORA Linux LXDE spin. So 38 to 39, but my system is very old, so it is not actually this FEDORA spin Linux LXDE. It is not for old system, because this my system is very old, 13 years old. So I switched to Lubuntu. Why I switched to Lubuntu from FEDORA LXDE spin? Because FEDORA LXDE is not good for. It is not good for. Actually, it is not good for a old system, because my system has very old, not only old, but it is a low specification quad core CPU and 8 GB RAM and 250 gig hard disk type, and FEDORA is not a good hand to record. And second point, to record a screencast, I was used to Voco screen reader, but here in this system I also use the Voco screen reader, but for Voco screen reader the sound quality is not good. Sometimes sometimes sound be lagging, so I want to change. That time I think Voco screen is not good for this old system, so I switch it to Kazam. This is Kazam, this one, and I have I'm making this video with the help of the Kazam. Kazam is good for this old system instead of OBS, because to run OBS this system needs to always system needs to a graphics card. Without graphics card you can't run the Kazam. So why? And now I'm going to show you the interface of the Lubuntu. First, if we installed 22.43 LTS version, so download it from here, directly down from here. If you want to install this one, it is also, but it is LTS long-term support, but it is not long-term support. I want to make the turn this system. I want to upgrade my system every 9 years, so it support until July 2024, and 1 week ago I have installed it in my old system. So it run fast, and you can see here. So from right click here, the main problem is when you click the what the problem I am facing to use this operating system. The keyboard is the main problem. At first I want to show you what is the key problem, because this system has a default web browser Firefox, but I don't want to use Firefox. To use Firefox it takes a long, and Firefox takes quite a bit more hardware, and it more RAM. So Falcon is lightweight, it is coming from the KDE, so I'm using here Falcon. It is a bit speed. So if you what I am facing to use the LXDE, it is every system, everybody is facing the same problem. Because what is the problem? Because when I type the sometime if I type the email ID ABCD, if I type the @ so it is already no, when I type the when I press the shift button, it already type in this one. When I to type a always type here. Where is type it? It is hyphen, just left side of the right enter button. Okay, left side of the right enter button. If I press on the button just before the U button and just top the 2 button by numerical 2 button, then you can see this one. It is the main problem. This system I have the another system, this has the same problem. So this is the problem I want to share you. This is the main problem. So just you tolerate it. So first one, if you click on the Windows button from your keyboard, it automatically just it is like a Windows button. So search, if I search to any app to find any app quickly, so you can KD and get in live. Yes, virus is come. This is the virus, this is the antivirus. So first you want to see the lock screen, lip screen. You can see there are hibernate, leave option, logout, reboot, shutdown and suspend. Suspend meaning that it already power off, but it actually not a power off. Inside the every application is on in this suspend mode. So shutdown, everybody know what is shutdown. Logout, just log out, leave, and hibernate, this is a different thing. About LXQT, you can see the LXQT version 1.3.0. you can see here this one LX 1.3.3, the same version, author this one, LXQT version. So I think LXDE because I don't want to use the LXDE, because LXDE is lighter than LXQT, but the LXDE development is stopped to developing. So LXQT development is running, so I am using the LXQT. So it is not lighter than LXDE, but it is good for old system. So you can see here. So I have defaultly this system has a 1 desktop, 2 desktop, 3 desktop and 4 desktop. And you can see here lock screen. About LXQT, you can see here the preference. I have installed some application. Everything is not pre-installed. Every software is not come with this operating system. The operating system, the space was 2.6 gig. LXQT setting, firewall, I install it separately. KD system, printer, screensaver, software source, system tool. This is like a Windows CC cleaner. Base split, I installed it separately. Discover is a software source. You can update your system and you can search any application from Discover. Stop, KD partition manager, the Q terminal, startup already pre-installed this app. KD version partition and sound video order, this one Audacity, some Kdenlive mix. I had already installed this mix Kdenlive some Audacity order separately. So go to the programming. These are already were pre-installed. This one is installed separately. Go to the office. All are pre-installed. Everything is pre-installed except this one. Okay. Internet Falcon, installed it separately. Kget separately. Onion Share, it is installed it separately. Remote desktop viewer, Telegram. These are I have installed it separately. And go to the graphics, Darktable. Which one pre-installed? LXDE, LibreOffice Draw, and Scanlight. These are pre-installed. These app come with this operating system, and rest of the application I have installed it separately. Go to the game. It is pre-install app. For education, only XAOS. Now from education, nothing come with pre-install with this app operating system. And accessories, PCman, QLeaper, QTPass, Text Info, Vim, NobleNote, and Picon. These are come with this application, and the rest of the application I have installed separately. So when I install it, you can create launcher desktop preference. You can see the desktop preference here. Ubuntu 11. You can see here background. If you want to these are the default one. You can see here. This one, this one. All are. I have already activate only two icon: computer icon, trash icon, and these wallpaper are come with this operating system. So cancel. I don't want to edit slideshow and activate it. Yes. So this one 1 2 3 4 5 icon. Desktop has only 5 icons, so I don't need network, I don't need Ubuntu manual system, I don't need computer, I need only trust and home folder. So apply it. It's not a computer, I don't need in home folder. Yes, this one, computer and trust 19 item. So apply and click on the OK. So if you want to create a more desktop space, so click in here and right click on here and configure the desktop switcher. So you can see here number of row, you can see here 1 2 3 4 number of row, but this one is default is okay. Desktop number, name, don't want to say that because it takes more space than a number. Number is okay, but it takes less space. Show only active desktop, do not show. So click on here. So and the last one, why I don't use the FEDORA LXD, especially FEDORA LXD. I don't want to use the FEDORA workstation Genome environment because it is not good for old computer. So FEDORA has a software center. FEDORA has a updater manager, dnfdragora. It takes a long to open and it takes a very long to install any software, and you and I can't find the Kazam, some application just like a CAMT, the antivirus, Natron. I can't find in from dnfdragora, KD, Marvel, so and Falcon, Onion Share. I can get it, and Telegram desktop. You can't find this application from dnfdragora. So that is why this was the disadvantage. Only 3 advantages that I don't like the FEDORA spin LXD. So I'm sharing you the FEDORA video or a FEDORA LXD LXD spin. So I don't recommend you to use the FEDORA LXD spin. You can use the FEDORA workstation. This one, LXD spin. I have used this one, LXD, this one, FEDORA spin. It and extremely fast. No, it is not extremely fast. They talk a lie. LXD, the lightweight X11 desktop. No, they talk lie. It is not actually speed. If I speed, I don't. If really FEDORA LXD speed in my old operating system, I never switch it to Lubuntu. Lubuntu is better than the FEDORA LXD. So if you FEDORA project, if you into FEDORA project in your new system, so this is good. FEDORA 39, it is good. Every 9 months it comes with a new version, but 9 months. But if you download this newest stable version instead of this LTS version, so you can get the new feature, new kernel, everything is new after every 9 months, because it is supported until July 24, and after April it will come with a new version. Everything is new, so looking new theme, new lookup, new interface. So these are the main reason that I switched my operating system into Lubuntu. Lubuntu is the better than FEDORA LXD. So you can see here the PC manager, file manager. When you come here, click on here, you can see here the file manager. You can see it here. This one, it is good, very good. You can see the speed, or if you right click on the here configure panel, so you can change the alignment to left, bottom desktop, top desktop. You can see here the desktop is come on the top, and left you can see the text come on the left side, but it is not good to make it in the left side alignment top, alignment center, alignment bottom. No, it is top is okay. Alignment top right, it is not looks, but you cannot look this one. So either you set it on the top or and the button. I think the button is good for this one, because sometimes if you make it on the top, so when you open this one, sometimes you face a problem when you install see if I open the gimp, sometimes I'm facing the problem when I open this in software, or sometime some kind of software. You can see here game. So now it is okay. So you can see how the speed this system. So I make it in on the top, so close it. So I close it, and so always use the Natron, but you can't open the WhatsApp on in this browser. So WhatsApp works with Google Chrome 60 plus. Update Google Chrome. So this browser is unable to open the WhatsApp from WhatsApp browser. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new next tip. Bye bye.